Good morning, San Diego. Good morning, ST. What's happening, West Coast? I love Cali. Good morning, San Diego. Good morning, ST.
What up? Good morning. Welcome back to the channel. Let's see what we got going on today. Baby girl wants to ride her bike.
Yay.
Gonna meet up with a coworker and his cousin. Today we're gonna interview Chris about his BMW. He made it back to our team. He came back actually. With that said, let's start the day.
My shoe untied.
Tie your shoes.
I don't know what's wrong with them. When they don't do that.
Got the new buildings over here at the Hotel del Coronado. Let's see, is this where the pool's gonna be at? Can't see over this fence. Oh, it's supposed to look like this, I guess. Oh yeah. I just realized I'm pretty much working out right now, girl. I'm pretty much doing fasted cardio over here. Didn't have no breakfast yet. You're on the bike.
Wait.
I'm over here walking. She decided to hop off her bike because she goes, Daddy, I need to get off the bike because it says walk your wheels. Ooh, I should do that cycling class. It's cool. I'm doing my walking. All right, all this biking around. She decided she wanted a donut, so she said there was a donut with a shark or something. Oh, there it is. This guy. There you go, there you go. All right, go ahead, grab him. Looks like baby girl's gonna go with the glazed. Okay. Glad to be glazed. All right, just got the farmer's table. Just gotta park the car. I didn't even know they changed this to a farmer's table. All right, I'll get the same thing, same exact thing. Chili killers? Yeah. I was told I need to show my face more, so here it is. Yeah, buddy. Oh, the food's here. Goodies is here. Hey, nice. Damn, that's what I need to be eating though. Yeah. But I'm not today though. Ooh, that was good. Celso over here chopping it up about retirement life.
Yep.
Look how happy, look at that glow. Look at that glow.
Yeah, better than work.
Why work when you can have money work for you, right?
That's right.
I'm still trying to figure that one out. That's why I played the lottery. All right, that was a great breakfast, brunch.
Thanks, Ernie.
No worries. You always get
bro.
me, gotta get
Appreciate
you every
it.
now and then. Then Joe Jean for filming that one day.
Oh god! I thought I was just gonna be sitting, standing or squatting.
Behind like
No,
a tripod.
he tells me get on the floor, lay down. I need this angle, that angle. Oh, come on! I just
It was awesome catching up with Celso and Joe Jean. I used to work with Celso. He is now officially a retired Honda technician. Anyway, it was good catching up with those guys. Good old Southwestern College. That's where I took the automotive program, girl. Speechless. All right, we made it. I remember we did our first clutch job here back in 19 something. Might have even been 2000. There it is. There's that German piece of machinery right there. Rhea's in the car. Hey, you even put the special lighting effect.
Oh yeah, you know. Got you, man.
So what's up? All right. So what we got here? What kind of BMW is this?
It's 2018
2018
330i M Sport.
330i M Sport. Did y'all hear that? I swear, dude, when me and Ryan used to work here, I felt like it was bigger.
Yeah.
Hey, it even has pictures already. Dang, you got a little office space here too. Got his call sign right here. Welcome back to the club. Yeah, I like the sticker. It goes. So you just slapped on this hood like a couple weeks ago, right?
Last week.
Who helped you take off the old hood?
Wife.
Oh dang.
Yeah, it's pretty light.
Pretty light.
Back there.
Oh, okay. What made you decide you wanted to just get a BMW in this particular one?
Well, very first car I drove was a 1985 BMW 330i.
Oh shit, I remember. Was it a white one?
White one, yeah.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that.
Ryan, X377, been asking me if I was going to get something to play with because I was driving Camry all these years. And,
Ain't nothing wrong with the Camry, I'm just saying.
You know, and I did the stereo up in that, but it just wasn't the same. You know, I had to tinker with something. And when it came time for my teens to start driving, wifey told me to give the Camry up. I figured it was my time to buy something to play with. So
You're leaving out a car that you also had.
back in maybe 99, 2000, I had a 94 Civic hatchback DX. It was single cam. that time. I eventually did an LS swap, but that's when I met the Ixer guys. They were deep into the car show scene. I just couldn't hang back then, man. Young, didn't have the income.
Oh, that's me now. No.
But you know, I had my fun with that car. Eventually got rid of it.
Imagine if you kept
That's
it.
the car I missed the most, to be honest with you. But it was an attention grabber. It got stolen. It got stripped.
Did it get stolen?
Got stolen.
Oh
yeah.
shoot! Because you always parked it outside. That's why.
Wifey made me promise I wouldn't touch it the first 6 months, but I ended up finishing it.
Cause you did everything fast, dude.
Yeah,
What the hell happened? You know what I like? I like how the wheels sit perfectly. This is perfect right here.
Yeah, this chassis in particular, it's like the fitment's tricky because of the wheel scrub when you turn.
Does it scrub? Oh,
but
doesn't.
I was back and forth with Apex race parts for maybe a good week and a half.
Would you go through like 3 lifts before you decided you wanted this one?
That's my 4th lift.
Damn.
Actually, this is my 5th lift. My very first one, hit something on the road. I couldn't avoid it, and it ripped my lip apart.
Oh yeah, that would be me all day long.
Yeah. This is technically lip number 5.
Jeez. Tell me what else. Like, I mean, so from start, what was the first thing you did to it?
First mod was M Performance lip.
Okay.
Front lip, and then I did the side skirts, the M Performance side skirts in the plastic and the rear extensions.
So suspension wise, KW coilovers, running these Michelin's 245/40 ZR18.
18x9 all around.
Oh jeez. He says he has an intake. Take a look at it.
Burger Motorsports intake, just for the turbo sounds. It ain't really adding power, but with the intake and the hood vent, I get lots of turbo noise. Makes it more fun to drive, I guess.
Oh yeah, it's a cruiser car right here. Take you to point A to point B. AC is working nice. In luxury. What's going on in the interior?
The interior, it was anthracite wood. I swapped that out for the hex aluminum trim.
Oh.
On the door handles, the interior, or the dash trim, ambient lighting, my carbon fiber, dry carbon extended shifter paddles, instead of the standard lugs that go into the rotor.
Oh hell yeah, I always hated that.
Yeah, so this has the motorsport hardware lug conversion and lug nuts. I figured if I couldn't get my fitment just right, I wanted the extended studs to run spacer. So that was kind of dual purpose, but it ended up liking exactly how it sit on this GTS LED taillights, rear diffuser from Souvenir, AWE axle back. Didn't want to do the whole muffler delete, I still wanted a muffler. So carbon fiber wing, carbon fiber antenna on the top. It's a lot of carbon, man. The hood's already pushing it, so I didn't want to do like the carbon fiber mirrors.
Nothing wrong with carbon. Arbel was telling me, because I wanted to carbon out the Integra, and he said, so you know most people, they paint over that. He's all the true ballers don't need to show they have carbon fiber. Then I said, well, that's why I need to show mine off. I'm not a true baller.
Yeah, I'm hood rich, man. I'm not a baller.
I want to show I have carbon fiber.
The M3 style dual slat grills in the front, the kidney grills.
Oh, okay. Oh, shit. It's out in the sun. Damn, I like that reflection of the carbon fiber. Thanks. Damn, giant pizza.
Yeah.
Just in time for lunch.
Lunch and dinner, man.
Oh shoot, you got this picture here too.
Wife actually got that made.
That's dope.
Cool, man.
Thanks for letting us do this interview. He didn't want to be on camera, but hey, you gotta lie to the homies sometimes. All right, we made it to Play City. Baby girl is now having trouble to decide if she wants Play City or is it gonna be Ninja Factory or Speed Circuit. Let's go. All right, we made it to Ninja Factory. Rhea's gonna do the course. Whoa, he almost ate it. Got the late night munchies. Damn, they got 2 drive-thrus. Cotixan. They ain't messing around.
Like no food?
3 rolled tacos. Is that what you guys have? 3 or 5? Was it 3 or 5?
3 and 5.
Right, gotta get them 3-roll tacos for the munchies. All right, thank you very much. Oh shoot, that's important. Thank you. I guess I must have been hungry. I almost drove off without my credit card. Oh shoot, tripping. All right, about to kill this right now. Shoot, 104. They hooked it up. Hey, make sure you subscribe to Ixer Garage, all right? Cool, good looking out. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, all right? All right, cool. Hey, bro, you got your phone on you? Just go ahead and hit subscribe. Yeah. Thank you.